In today's video, I'm going to teach you about extracting JSON data with many items using n8n. We'll delve into some common methods you can employ to efficiently handle multi-item JSON data. Now, whether you're looking at simple arrays or dealing with more complex structures, n8n provides robust nodes and techniques that cater to various needs. Let's start by looking at the split-out node. This node is exceptionally useful if your JSON data contains an array of objects, and your goal is to process each object individually. Imagine you have JSON structured as an array, something like a data. To begin, you'll connect the node that holds your JSON data directly to the split-out node. Next, it's crucial to configure the split-out node correctly. You need to target the specific array field within your JSON. By doing this, n8n creates a separate item for each object present in that array. The real benefit here is that this separation allows any subsequent nodes to handle these items on an individual basis, offering a streamlined and organized process flow. Now, another method you might encounter, especially if you're working with older versions of n8n, or perhaps you have a specific use case in mind, is the item lists node. It works somewhat similarly to the split-out node. Here's how it functions. Place an item lists node before a set node in your workflow. Once in place, configure your item lists node to operate specifically on the body. Following this, you set up the set node to split items on the relevant data field. This particular method provides a great deal of flexibility if you're dealing with legacy configurations or unique data handling needs. For those of you working on more complex scenarios, where controlling the processing flow of multiple items is critical, you might find loop over items or split in batches nodes particularly useful. The loop over items node lets you define a loop that repeatedly executes a series of nodes for each item in a list. On the other hand, if you're dealing with large datasets and concerned about overwhelming your system, the split in batches node is your friend. It processes these datasets in smaller, more manageable batches, which can greatly enhance efficiency and maintain system performance. Lastly, we have the function node. This is ideal for when your task demands custom parsing, filtering, or transformation of your JSON data. Utilizing JavaScript, the function node lets you write code to manage your data exactly how you need it. For instance, you can use json.parse to transform JSON strings into JavaScript objects, allowing you to perform manipulations before outputting results. This node offers powerful flexibility and is great for when your standard nodes fall short of your requirements. So there you have it. Several methods to efficiently extract and process JSON data with numerous items in n8n. With the right approach and nodes, handling complex JSON structures can become a straightforward task. Thank you for watching, and I hope these insights will empower you to harness the full potential of n8n in your workflows.